When I say cleansing, it's not like a certain protocol. It's more of increasing the fiber, increasing the fresh fruit and vegetable, and then kind of give your gut a little break from the heavy food, the sugar, the cream that you enjoy over the holiday. Winter in TCM is the season of reservation. What that means is because that after fall, the harvest season, our body is trying to conserve the energy for the next year, which is the spring, summer, and then go from there. It's not a good idea to use up all the energy right now. And I know that a lot of people like to do extreme sport. If it's something that you do occasionally, always observe how your body's energy is, because it can trigger some stress response that your body might not want. So one of the things I definitely would suggest is the sleep. Follow the rhythm of winter. We all know that the daylight is shorter in winter. So we should follow the rhythm of the nature to go to bed probably a little bit earlier. And the second, because the heat is one of the manifestation of our energy. So we want to conserve the heat, especially in the Colorado winter, it's going to be cold. So if we keep losing the heat by not dressing properly, by not eating food that is nourishing us, then we don't have any energy reserve to grow, to regenerate, to flourish in the coming spring. I have an issue of people not dressing warm enough in the winter, especially cover your head, your hands and feet. Because if we keep the hands and feet, the extremities, blood circulation good, then we don't need to use too much of the energy that we conserve. And the head is actually one of the organs that use up a lot of energy in our body. So keeping it warm can also conserve the energy for us. And then second, don't eat anything that is too greasy, because again, I cannot emphasize enough that how important our gut is during the winter or throughout the year. And I know we just been through New Year and Christmas. We probably had a lot of good things to eat. Then now is the time to really do the cleansing. When I say cleansing, it's not like a certain protocol. It's more of increasing the fiber, increasing the fresh fruit and vegetable, and then kind of give your gut a little break from the heavy food, the sugar, the cream that you enjoy over the holiday. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.